In this video, we will show you how to operate your Greenworks 16-inch single-stage snowblower. We have featured a 48-volt snowblower. However, this guide can be followed for all units fitting this description. Your snowblower may look different than the model used in this video. All information provided still applies. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Step 1. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with any loose, unassembled parts and set aside for later. Lift the snowblower out of the box and set it down. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product. Step 2. Battery and charger. If you purchased a complete kit, your unit came with a battery and charger. Please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. Step 3. Installing the middle handle. To install the middle handle, align the holes on the middle handle with the holes on the lower handle. Insert the U-bolts through the holes, then thread the handle knobs onto each bolt and tighten them by hand. Step 4. Installing the upper handle. Next, align the holes in the middle handle with the upper handle so the sections line up cleanly. Slide the bolts through the holes, then thread the handle knobs onto each bolt and tighten them by hand. Step 5. Installing the chute. To install the chute deflector, start by aligning the tabs with the slots on one side of the chute. Engage the first tab and push until you hear a click. Then repeat the same motion on the opposite side. Step 6. Rotating the discharge chute. You can rotate the discharge chute 180 degrees to direct where the snow is thrown. Step 7. Adjusting the chute deflector. Press and hold the trigger on the deflector. Then raise it to increase your throwing distance, or lower it to shorten the distance. Step 8. Installing and removing the batteries. Open the battery compartment door. Align the ribs on the battery with the grooves inside the compartment. Slide the battery in until it clicks and locks securely in place. Repeat this with the second battery and close the door. To remove the batteries, open the battery compartment door. Press and hold the release button on the battery and slide the battery out of the compartment. Step 9. Starting and stopping the unit. To start the machine, press and hold the start button. Then pull the bail lever toward the handle while keeping the button held down. Once the unit powers on, you can release the start button. Continue holding the bail lever to keep the machine running. To stop the unit, simply release the bail lever. Need additional help? For videos on how to charge your batteries and operate your product, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks tools will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.